In order to succeed at that endeavor, you need some capabilities, obviously. And those capabilities fall into two main areas, right? There's the business side and there's the technical side. Now, the technical side is usually pretty straightforward. Many organizations readily recognize, oh yeah, we got to have these technical capabilities. But you also need a business approach, and you need some key capabilities in some business areas. First of all, you have to have an API business and product strategy. As we said previously, your APIs are products in and of themselves. Now, you're probably not going to monetize them directly. You know, the classic idea of, oh, you're going to pay me just for the privilege of calling my API. That's probably not going to happen, but your product strategy is going to take a lot of different forms, and you are going to be able to monetize through revenue sharing and opening up channels. Again, both the Expedia and the Walgreens example illustrate that pretty well. You've got to have an API governance and operating model. Now, the beauty of this is it doesn't have to be an ultra prescriptive, constraining, massive set of rules and regulations. It's more of, hey, here's the guardrails. Here are the things that you just got to do because of security and regulatory and just, things we want to make sure we're doing right here. But the beauty of this API governance and operating model is it gives you the ability to develop your APIs and mature your APIs in a way that could be decidedly different than how you do things in your traditional, data center, your back-end systems. They're two different things, related to each other, but different. You need API metrics and analytics. You've got to be able to quantify how well you're doing. One of the key things we like to tell customers is, hey, as you're going on this API journey, as you're looking to transform your business, understand what the definition of success is. Now, that's going to be iterative. You're not going to necessarily know all of that up front. But you want to be able to understand that. And, of course, you need API support and management. And on the technical side, you got to have an API management platform. There are so many aspects of what you need to do to properly deliver APIs. You certainly don't want to spend time writing all that yourself. You want to use a good API management platform, something that has all those features and capabilities built into it so you can focus on just publishing your APIs. You need good API architecture and design. You've got to ensure a great API developer experience, which is primarily through the dev portal, and it's got to be something that's tightly integrated with the API management platform so it knows what's going on and changes in one are reflected in the other. And you've got to actually have a program and a process for developing the APIs and integrating them.